This video is brought to you by Osmocote, the planter's plant food.
Hi, I'm Marianne Binetti, and it's springtime in a shaded area of my garden. And today I want to tell you how to collect and spread around the hellebore plants that reseed in your garden. So here's several hellebore plants in full bloom. And usually in the spring is when I go to the base of the hellebore plants, and you can see under here all these little baby seedlings. And these are hellebores. They will not necessarily look exactly like the mother plant, but they're great for spreading around my garden for sharing with friends. So now here's how a hellebore seedling emerges. You can see it has a set of first leaves that are rounded. Okay, those are the baby leaves. Then it has a next set of leaves, and this new set of leaves has a grouping of leaves instead of just one on either side. You want to wait until you see a true set of leaves to dig up and move the young hellebore plants to other areas of your garden. So this guy's a little too young to move. I would let it back. But now look here, we have some seedlings, and obviously I do not want them to be growing here, a little too close to my statue. So it's okay to plunk them up, and then I'm going to go ahead and easily, see how easy they pull apart. And you can pull these apart and plant each of them individually someplace, or you can just very carefully set them into a pot. And these I'll give away to a friend. And they're easy to transplant to another part of the garden. Now, if you wait long enough and you end up finding young hellebore plants that are like this, sometimes they're just way too many clumped together. I know it seems heartless, but if you pull out all these little young babies here, thin them all out, that means that the one larger one that's left, he's going to get to grow on to be a lovely plant and not have to compete with all his brothers and sisters. So this one could also be transplanted, but I'd have to dig down really, really deep because hellebores have deep roots. That's why they're difficult to transplant. Hellebores also do not like to be divided in half. It weakens them. Just leave them in the same spot for years and years. Hellebores are wonderful perennials because they come back year and year. They are slug resistant, deer resistant. They bloom even in the shade. Great perennial for your garden. This has been Marianne Binetti with easy answers for great gardens.